morning, Virginia. This is Virginia This Morning.
This segment is sponsored by GRTC Transit System.
GRT Transit System continues a big partnership into its second year, offering express route service to Kings Dominion. Larry Hagan with GRTC Transit System joins us this morning. Hey, Larry, welcome back. Good to see you again.
Glad to be here.
We were just talking before we went on. When I got my first job in the summer when I was a kid, I had a job downtown for the summer. And my dad took me to, I lived on Southside, took me to Southside Plaza, caught the bus, rode the bus, picked me up in the afternoon. This is the same idea for a place where a lot of kids have a job this summer, isn't it?
You couldn't be more correct. I mean, you know, that's why we started it last year. We wanted to bring a service in to the Richmond metro area that would get youth working in the summer up to Kings Dominion for the jobs that are up there.
And there's a lot of people that are doing this, and it makes all the sense in the world. Now, when does the service start, and it goes through when?
Okay, so we're going to start the end of this month. It runs from Memorial Day through Labor Day. Every single day of the week, we start picking folks up at 7:50 in the morning in downtown Richmond. The last trip leaves Kings Dominion at 11:30 p.m. And we've got about 8 trips throughout the whole day to get folks there, so plenty of choices. Last year, we moved about 5,000 trips for that short period of time, so we're hoping we'll be successful again. What we really want to try to get more of this year are folks other than workers. We're glad that we're meeting that need and that we found a market niche there, that there's folks, you know, living down here that want to go up there to work. Yeah. But we really want to try to get some recreational users also on the bus.
Well, I mean, it makes all the sense in the world. If you're a teenager or young adult and you're trying to get out to Kings Dominion, that's a pretty long trip from the city up there. You're going to save all that gas money, which, you know, if you're working to get some money in your pocket, and, you know, you'll save the gas money. It's better for the environment. But if you're a family and you're going up for the bus is going anyway, so why not get everybody on board and go up for the day and save the money yourself?
Right. You're looking at a fare of $5 each way, and you don't have to pay to park. I think parking at Kings Dominion is $12. So you'd be spending $10 to get up there and back as an individual.
When you started this last year, how did it go? I mean, this is the second year. Obviously, it went fairly well. Did you meet your expectations, your goals, and things like that?
Yeah, I think we met them enough to want to do it again this year. We're real happy that we've got a good partner with Kings Dominion on this. They want to do what they can to try to get quality employees up there for the summer. They also have dorms up in the area for international students that work at Kings Dominion. So we provide a means for those folks to come back down here in Richmond and spend their hard-earned dollars if they want and get away from that area and take a little break from the park if they need to. Yeah. So we're hoping to get trips both ways there.
That's kind of nice. All right, we're talking about taking the bus to Kings Dominion. Where can you get on the bus to go to Kings Dominion?
We set this route up so that anybody using one of our public transit routes in the city can get to the service. We've got it running along Broad Street, basically from 12th all the way to Belvedere before it gets on the interstate, and it services all of those bus stops between 12th and Belvedere. So there's plenty of access there. We've got so many of our routes that come together in downtown Richmond, so we'll be able to get you on that.
So it finishes up down around 12th, and then boom, right on 95, and
right,
away you go.
We start on 12th and work all the way to Belvedere, make the right on Belvedere, and then get on the interstate, and we're gone. No stops until you get to Kings Dominion.
Yeah, once you get on there. All right, great idea. Thank you for doing that.
Yeah, we look forward to another successful year in partnership with Kings Dominion. So to everybody out there, give it a try. See if it works for you.
I bet it will. Hey, folks, you can learn more about GRTC Transit System and visit their office, 301 East Belt Boulevard in Richmond. Head online, ridegrtc.com, or give them a call, 358-4782.